Hello, I'm going to give you an introduction on how to use the BleachBit command line. The first part is actually bringing up the command line. There's a couple ways of doing this. One, you can bring up the Windows Start menu and type CMD, and that creates a search, and then click on Command Prompt. That brings up this window. Alternatively, you can hold down the Windows key and push R. That brings up the Run dialog. Type in CMD, hit OK, and now you're here. The next step is navigating to the correct directory. The straightforward way is to type CD for change directory, \prog, hit tab to autocomplete. Can't use this one, gotta tab one more time to get the 86 directory, /bleach, tab, there. Now it's auto-completed the correct directory, I hit enter. I'm in the correct directory. Alternatively, you can use some drag and drop, and I'll show you what I mean. If you were in the root directory here, you could type cd space. Now drag this little guy on to the command window, and it populates the correct address. So the next step here is finding the correct executable. Normally when you're running the graphical or GUI interface, you're running bleachbit.exe. For the command line, you want this guy because this is going to print messages to the console. So bleachbit_c, hit tab to autocomplete, and the first command you'll want is help. When you run help, you'll notice that there are short codes and long codes. Short, long. Some of them only have a long code. So, for example, by the way, if you hit up, you can get to your previous commands. And backing up a little bit, say you were in the root directory or even another drive, you could drag the console here, and it populates the full path, so that way you can run it from other folders. So here, if I run version, it shows that I'm running version 401, and if I use the short code, same thing. Another good place to start is with the list command, which is --list or 1-L. If I want to, if I do it like this, it's going to show me this long list, but if I want to narrow it down, for example, to find stuff with Firefox, I do a pipe space find and then Firefox in quotation marks. The quotation marks are critical, don't leave that out. Hit enter, and now it's only showing me the options for Firefox. These correspond to what you see in the graphical interface. If I want to preview, that's -p Firefox, say URL history. So this is previewing the URL history. If I wanted to preview everything, it's a .star. And when I'm ready to clean, it's Firefox. When I'm ready to clean, I use a -c. So I changed the -p to -c from preview to clean. And now this is actually going to clean stuff. It will not prompt you for a confirmation, but it actually did it. And here is a summary, the exact same log that you would see in the graphical interface. Thanks for watching this introduction to the command line.